The Philippine Army assures there will be no special treatment for retired Major General Jovito Palparan at the Custodial Center in Fort Bonifacio. Palparan was transferred to Fort Bonifacio from the Bulacan Provincial Jail yesterday on orders of the Malolos Regional Trial Court due to security concerns. Benj Bondok tells us more.
This small room with a bed and electric fan will serve as the detention cell of retired Major General Jovito Palparan at the Philippine Army Custodial Center. On Monday afternoon, the former military official was transferred to the said facility located at the Fort Bonifacio in Taguig City. This was after the Malolos Regional Trial Court Branch 14 granted Palparan's request to be transferred at the Philippine Army Custodial Center from the Bulacan Provincial Jail. Upon his arrival at the facility, Palparan undergone a medical checkup in which his vital signs were examined. His heart's condition was also checked through ECG. After the procedures, it was confirmed that the retired Army official's health is in good condition. Consequently, the Philippine Army ensured that Palparan will not be given any special treatment. Philippine Army spokesperson Colonel Noel De Toyato said he will be treated equally along with the 8 other detainees of the facility.
There will be no special treatment kasi he will be treated like other detainees na nakadetain sa aming custodial center. Sama-sama naman sila doon, so kung ano ang marireceive ng isa, marireceive din ng lahat. Kung ano ang pagkain ng isa, yun ang pagkain ng lahat. We have a medical facility, malapit lang man sa kanyang detention facility, sa custodial center. We have the Army General Hospital, we have military doctors there. Kung meron siyang maramdaman, madali siyang ipa-check up.
In a text message, Army Chief Lieutenant General Hernando Iriberi ensured Palparan's safety as a detainee at the Army Custodial Center. Iriberi also cited that the Army will abide by the rules stipulated in the court order, which indicates the former Army official's custody transfer. Prior to this, Palparan was identified as one of the country's most wanted criminals. He was arrested last August after almost 3 years of being at large. The retired Major General is facing kidnapping and serious illegal detention raps for the alleged abduction and disappearance of 2 students of the University of the Philippines, namely Sherlyn Cadapan and Karen Empeño in 2006. For the People's Television, Benj Bondok.